Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Ocean Beach Club. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool, airport shuttle, parking, free Wi-Fi, non-smoking rooms and a bar. Ocean Beach Club is located 2 minutes walk from the beach and features a heated, outdoor pool. The property provides free Wi-Fi and is 3.1 miles drive from Bonnet House Museum and Gardens. Guest rooms come standard with a 42-inch flat-screen TV and a private bathroom equipped with a bath and free toiletries. A microwave, refrigerator, and coffee maker are included in every room. A 24-hour front desk is available, as is an on-site bar. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.